Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So we are continuing with Terraform tutorial, and in this video we are going to discuss about Terraform desired state and the Terraform current state. Okay, so suppose you are going to create one EC2 instance, okay, and you have written your script here, okay, and you didn't hit Terraform apply command till now, okay. So this will be your desired state only, because your infrastructure is not yet created and your EC2 is not yet running. So once you run Terraform apply command and your EC2 get launched, and you got one state file as well, that is terraform.tf state file. So and that tf state file containing whatever resources you have created, that is EC2. So that means your infrastructure is running and that is your current state. Okay, so let's go back to the document and let's discuss this document. Okay, so in the Terraform, the desired state refer to the configuration that you have defined in your Terraform file, typically written in HashiCorp configuration language. This configuration describes the infrastructure resources you want to provision and their attributes and desired attributes, such as the number of instance, networking setting, and so on. Okay, the current state refer to the actual state of your infrastructure as recorded in the Terraform state file. Okay, usually terraform.tf state. So this file contains information about the resources that Terraform manage, including the current configuration and any metadata needed to be tracked, dependencies, and manage updates. Okay, so here how Terraform manage the transition from the desired state to the current state. Okay, so planning, the first key point is planning. So when you run Terraform plan, Terraform compare the desired state defined in your configuration file with the current state recorded in the state file. It identifies any differences between two or generates an execution plan to achieve the desired state. Okay, the another key point is execution. So when you apply the execution plan using Terraform apply, Terraform take action to update the infrastructure to match the desired state. This may involve creating new resources, updating existing ones, or destroying the resources that are no longer required. Okay, so state management, that another key point is. Okay, throughout this process, Terraform update the state file to to reflect the changes made to the infrastructure. Okay, so this ensure that Terraform can track the current state of your infrastructure and use it as the basis of future operation. Okay, basis for future operation. So let's go here and write some code and let's understand the desired state and the current state practically. Okay, so first I will define my provider, that is AWS. Okay, then I will define my region, that will be US East -1. Okay, and now I am going to create one EC2. So we have to define resource. Okay, and the resource type, what will be AWS underscore instance. Okay, and the name that I will give here, that is prod. Okay, and then after that we have to define AMI ID, and we'll fetch the AMI ID from AWS console only. Okay, and then after that we have to define instance type, that is t2.micro. Okay, so let me fetch the is here. Click on launch and I will select Ubuntu EC2 instance. Okay, and I will copy this AMI ID. Okay, so that's it. We have successfully written our script to create one EC2 instance. Okay, so this is our desired state, that we want to create these resources using this Terraform configuration file. Okay, so this means our desired state, okay, of Terraform. So let's open the terminal and run Terraform init. So our backend is getting initialized and it's downloading the provider. Okay, provider is getting downloaded. So let's wait for some time. Okay, once we'll our provider will get downloaded here. Okay, then we are going to run Terraform apply, and after running Terraform apply, there will be some file get added here, and the one main file, that terraform.tf file, that will contain all the information that about our EC2 instance. Okay, about our EC2 instance. So that will be our current state. Okay, because at that point of time our EC2 will be running. Okay, so at this point of time you are not able to see any Terraform TF state file here, right? Because our EC2 is not running there. Let's go and check. Go to the instance, and you can't see any EC2 is running right now here. All the EC2 is stopped. Okay, we have one EC2 here that is in a stop state. Okay, so we don't have any EC2 running right now. So let's go back to the VS Code and run Terraform plan to see the plan. Okay, so as you can see here, that time Terraform state file got added, but now we are not able to see any Terraform file because Terraform TF state file. Okay, so because we have not yet run a Terraform apply command. Okay, so here you can see plan 1 to add, right? So let's run Terraform apply command. Now our terraform.tf state file is getting updated here. Let's click yes. As you can see here, there is no information about our resources because we didn't give permission to create the resources. Once I will hit enter here, sorry, not here. So here our Terraform TF state file will get updated with the our EC2 instance information. So let's wait for few seconds. Okay, and as you can see here, okay, data will come here. Okay, it's blank right now, but let's wait for few more seconds as our instance is getting created. So let's wait and see. So as you can see now, there is a lot of information is available now about our EC2 instance that we have created using this script, and this script was before in desired state. Now our EC2 instance is running, so and all the information about EC2 instance is available in terraform.tf state file. So this is our current state, right? So this is our current state and this is our desired state. So I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any query regarding to this video, do let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.